Today I have a Toyota Avalon. The car is crank but no start. Confirm the customer complaint. The car is cranking but no start. Let's diagnose the car and see the code. We have code a P0335 crankshaft position sensor. This crankshaft position sensor located a very difficult place must be removed AC compressor behind the AC compressor. First thing we check wiring issue because this is the common failure for the wiring for this sensor sometime. We check live data in the scan tool, engine speed, and crank the engine and see any changing in the data. This time 0.00. I crank the engine but there is no received crank sensor data to the engine ECU. After that we check the wiring first. This sensor has two wires, one is ground and one is signal. This sensor provides millivolt as signal. Same battery voltage, AC voltage. Sometime problem in this wiring for the reason hot damage. Now, for this sensor must you remove AC compressor, refrigerant, then you can see the location for this
Crank.
sensor. When I press the wiring, the car is running. We confirm 100% there is problem in the wiring. Yes, I remove the wire, open the wire and see where is damage part. You can see this is the location for the damage, loose contact before anybody connect there. Thank you for watching. That is the damage connection. The car is running good. Thank you for watching.